गावदाते संडे, आनंदाचा उल्हासाचा रविवार. Rejoice in the Lord always, and again I say rejoice. खुशाल राव नव्याने सांगतात, खुशाल राव तुमका देव बरे करो. आनंद करा, उल्हास करा, प्रभूमध्ये जयघोष करा. यरुपम यरविल मगठिजुम नेंड्रुम सेल्वम मगच्छयम रोम्ब संतोषमा नंड्री पोइट वांगा. His Eminences, Your Graces, Your Lordships, Archbishop Socrates of Philippines says, a newly ordained bishop is the youngest bishop of the world. I am only 1 hour old. So if I make mistakes in following the protocol, please understand me and forgive me. माझा आत्मा परमेश्वराला धन्यवाद देतो आणि माझा जीव परमेश्वराचा गौरव करतो, कारण परमेश्वराने मला त्याच्या मळ्यामध्ये धर्मगुरू होण्यासाठी पाचारण केले आणि आज मला बिशप म्हणून त्यांनी दीक्षा दिलेली आहे. आणि म्हणून सर्वप्रथम मी परमेश्वराचे आभार मानतो, परमेश्वराला धन्यवाद देतो, परमेश्वराचा गौरव करतो. I place on record my thanks to His Holiness Pope Francis, who has put confidence in me and made me the shepherd of the Diocese of Vasai. Dear Archbishop Felix Machado, Bishop Emeritus of the Diocese of Vasai, you were my professor in the seminary. You saw the good in me and always promoted the good in me when you were in the seminary, when you were not in the seminary, and when I was a priest and you were not the bishop of our diocese. You have always been supportive, guiding me and telling me to excel in different fields rather than following the traditional paths. You were instrumental in telling the rector that time that I should go for interreligious studies, and that is how the rector, Bishop Agnello Gracious, promoted me to do studies in Islamic studies. You were there with me, guiding me and protecting me, helping me to go beyond my capacities. And therefore, I am sure it is because of your support, guidance, your prayers that I stand before you to be after you. You have led this diocese as a fatherly person. You have taken this diocese to heights which we could not imagine. And therefore, on behalf of all the clergy, of all the religious and the devout faithful of our diocese, I would like to express gratitude to you for your tireless efforts to make our diocese not only national but internationally known. And therefore we are grateful to you. As token of our love and appreciation and warmth and prayerful support, we would like to offer you a warm shawl and a memento. May that shawl give you the warmth that you need as you grow older and as you need the support and prayers of all of us. We are with you and we are proud of you.
I now request various committee heads The priests are requested to come forward and assemble near the dais.
I'm not supposed to speak. मी बोलू शकत नाही. बिशप थॉमस बिशप झाले आणि पहिलीच त्यांची कृती म्हणजे मला डिसओबिडियन्स केला त्यांनी. मी सांगितलं होतं कृपा करून माझ्या अंगावर छाली घालू नका, मी त्याला पात्र नाही. बिशप थॉमस, मी तुमचा ओबिडियंट सर्वंट आहे. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
I request all diocesan priests, heads of various committees to come forward and assemble near the dais.
Our first bishop, Bishop Thomas Dabri. Dear Bishop Thomas Dabri, you were the mother of our diocese. It was in your guidance and your leadership the diocese was created. You have nurtured the diocese with tender, loving care. You have helped us discover our talents. You have been very personal to me, and you promoted me to do my studies in Madras University, a secular study, so that I could be able to excel my skills of interreligious and interfaith dialogue. And therefore, we are grateful to you, and I am personally grateful to you, and we also offer you a shawl and a memento. I request you to kindly come forward and receive it. Again, I have to bypass the protocol. Archbishop Thomas McQuan, the Archbishop of Gandhinagar, is in a bit of hurry, so I call him forward. Archbishop Thomas McQuan and myself worked in the Commission for Proclamation. I was his secretary for the Western region. Archbishop Thomas McQuan was very personal and very loving and tender in his dealings, and I have grown in his presence. So we would like to thank Archbishop Thomas McQuan, though in his busy schedule he has adjusted and remained for the consecration and prayed for me. Thank you, Archbishop Thomas McQuan. We would like to felicitate you with a shawl and a memento. His Eminence Oswald Cardinal Gracious. He, as he told in the sermon, was a professor of canon law. He was the one who ordained me as a deacon when he was only 1 month a bishop. Then he was present for my ordination in 1998, and today he has been the principal consecrator and spoken so personal about me. I myself was shocked. But Cardinal, you have been always a loving, tender person. You have understood us in our studies, and you have helped us to grow in our priestly ministry. Today also, when we consult you for any occasions, you are always there to guide us and protect us. A big thank you for the beautiful homily you gave in the vernacular language, and we assure you of our prayers and support. He, Cardinal Oswald, celebrates his 80th birthday this December 24th. So we are honored to have him with us, and as a token of our love and gratitude for all that you are doing for us, we offer you a bouquet, a shawl and a memento. His Eminence Cardinal Philip Neri Ferrao. Cardinal Philip Neri Ferrao is the president of the CCBR, he is the president of FABC. He was selected for the drafting of the synodal document. Such a internationally renowned figure, but yet such a simple, holy person. I had the opportunity of being to Goa on 3rd and 4th December, and Cardinal Philip Neri made it a point personally to see that I was received well, treated well, and I got the best experience of the exposition. And therefore, dear Cardinal Philip Neri, we are grateful to you for being with us today and praying for us, being the first co-consecrator of this occasion. We honor you with shawl and memento. His Excellency Apostolic Nuncio Archbishop Leopoldo Gerelli wanted to be here today because he says, I love Versailles. But his mother celebrated yesterday, 13th of December, day before yesterday, 104th birthday. And he said, my mother fired me saying, you have to come for my birthday. And therefore he had to sacrifice this ordination. But he assured me of his prayers, guidance, and because of him, I was able to also meet His Eminence Cardinal Tagle in Goa, and he introduced me to him, and he told him that this is the person you have appointed for the Diocese of Versailles. And that is how we place on record the thanks and gratitude to Archbishop Leopoldo Gerelli. Monsignor Joan Paul, please convey our wishes to him and receive the shawl and memento on his behalf. Monsignor Juan Paulo Hernandez, please wait for 1 minute. Monsignor is the first counselor of the Embassy of the Holy See, and he has been with us from yesterday. He hails from Mexico, and he's been very personal and helpful in guiding to see the proceedings of the service, and also he was able to share with us how the Church of Versailles and the Church of Mexico are in close collaboration. Our patron saint, Saint Gonzalo Garcia, who was martyred in Nagasaki, with him, another companion was a Mexican priest who was martyred, and they share the same bond of martyrdom, and therefore John Paulo Hernandez says, Vasai and Mexico also share a bond of faith. So thank you. We have another shawl for John Paul and a memento as a remembrance of his visit to Vasai. This is the first time he is visiting Vasai. And come again. आर्चबिशप एलायस गोन्साल्विस आपलेच आहेत, आमचे पण आहेत. Archbishop Elias Gonsalves, Archbishop of Nagpur, he has been very supportive to me right from my seminary days. I would say he was the one who first took me to Goregaon Seminary when he was ordained a priest, and therefore the legacy of seminarians from Chulna in St. Pius continued. Archbishop Elias was very helpful in guiding me during my priestly ministry because he is a pastoral man, and through his pastoral services and especially social angle and social analysis, I have gained a lot in my priestly ministry. He has been always supportive to me, and whenever he is down in Vasai, he used to spend time with me, and we have discussed a lot of things to increase the zeal and enthusiasm of pastoral ministry. Thank you, Archbishop Elias Gonsalves. ते आमचे दादा आहेत, आतेभाऊ आहेत. मी त्यांना विनंती करतो की त्यांनी पुढे यावे. त्यांच्यासाठी शॉल आणि मोमेंटो आहे. Archbishop John Rodrigues, newly appointed Archbishop, Coadjutor Archbishop of the Archdiocese of Bombay. We are classmates. We were ordained together. We studied together. And time again, whenever we met as classmates, we shared our joys and the shortcomings that we experienced. His experience has always been fruitful in my ministry, and today his presence is a blessing because he is going to soon take over as the Archbishop of Bombay, where we are suffragan diocese. And therefore, we would like to congratulate him and offer him shawl and memento. बिशप आयवन परेरा, बिशप ऑफ जम्मू काश्मीर, सर्वात लांबून आलेले हे बिशप आहेत. जेव्हा माझी नेमणूक झाली तेव्हा बिशप आयवन परेरा यांनी मला फोन करून सांगितलं, थॉमस मी येणार. He has been traveling from long and come for this program, for this ceremony. I would like to thank him. जम्मू काश्मीरला लवकरच थंडी सुरू होईल. आपल्या वसईकरांच्या प्रेमाचं प्रतीक आणि प्रार्थनेची ऊब म्हणून आपण ही शॉल आणि मोमेंटो त्यांना देत आहोत. त्यांचा त्यांनी स्वीकार करावा. थँक्यू बिशप आयवन परेरा. Bishop Malcolm Sequeira, Bishop of Amravati. त्यांना तर अति आनंदच झाला मी बिशप झालो म्हणून. He's been so joyful and cheerful in whenever I phone him or whenever I ask him anything, and goes out of his way to check out all the details. We have studied together, we have journeyed together, we have shared a lot of good times together, and therefore we thank Bishop Malcolm Sequeira, Bishop of Amravati, son of Giri's parish. Thank you, Bishop Malcolm. Bishop Barthol Barreto, Bishop of Nasik. He is of a friendly nature. Whenever he wanted to come to Vasai, he thought that he could come and spend time in our parish with our priest. And he has been always caring and wishing good wishes to all our priests and very friendly to our priests. Thank you, dear Bishop Barthol, for your presence and prayers and support. We offer you a shawl and memento. Bishop Alvin De Silva, a professor in the seminary, my moderator and a mentor in my thinking process. He has always been supportive and trying to find out the best in us. And when I was doing my ministry in Jerry Mary, Bishop Alvin De Silva was very helpful and supportive. Thank you, Bishop Alvin, for being with us this evening, praying for me, for your support and guidance. Bishop Bernard Lancy Pinto, Bishop of Aurangabad. We were contemporaries in the seminary, and he was very helpful to us, and he is a helpful person, committed, dedicated, and we always share and talk over phone, and now we share the same episcopate. So therefore we would like to honor him and felicitate him, Bishop Bernard Lancy Pinto, Bishop of Aurangabad. Bishop Simeon Fernandez, Auxiliary Bishop of the Archdiocese of Goa and Daman. Bishop Simeon Fernandez is a very hospitable person, a loving person, a biblical scholar, speaks less and acts tenderly. Thank you, Bishop Simeon Fernandez, for being with us this evening, praying for us. We would like to felicitate you and honor you with shawl and a memento. Bishop Dominic Savio Rodriguez, Auxiliary Bishop of Bombay. Dominic Savio Fernandez, Auxiliary Bishop of Bombay. We would like to thank you for your presence and praying for us. Time and again, he guides us through his canonical advice. So we are grateful to you, Bishop Dominic Savio Fernandez. Bishop Sebastio Mascarenis, Bishop of Baroda, Bishop Sebastio, we are very grateful to you for being with us and praying for us. And whenever we meet, you always are joyfully expressing your joys and sharing with us different insights. Thank you. Bishop Thomas, Bishop Epach of Kalyan. I don't dare to pronounce your surname. We thank you. Very cheerful whenever I used to meet him for meetings. Very joyful, smiling, and he assured me of his prayers right from the day of my announcement. Thank you, Bishop Thomas. We share the same name. Bishop Jacob Epach of Rajkot, Jose. He is a cheerful person, and whenever I have seen in Western region, I attended Bishop's meeting once, but I have attended certain council meetings, and I have seen him very joyfully and cheerfully participating in it. Bishop Jose of Rajkot. Bishop Ambrose Rebello, Apollo Bishop. Bishop Emeritus of Aurangabad. Thank you for your prayers, your support, your collaboration, your presence this evening. We would like to felicitate you with shawl and memento. Bishop Lourdes Daniel, Bishop Emeritus of Nasik, thank you for being with us, praying for me and our diocese. Bishop Ephraim, Bishop of Chanda. Yeah, we thank him. Bishop Matthew, Bishop of Khadki. We thank you for your presence and for your prayerful support. Anyone remaining? We have in our midst Father Andrew De Mello, the Diocesan Administrator of Sindhudurg. We would like to felicitate him with shawl and memento. Father Andrew De Mello. We have Bishop Joseph of Shamsabad. Thank you for your presence here. So once again, His Eminences, Your Graces, His Lordship, please pray for me, your younger brother in Christ.